meditation. Nowadays, everyone will be asking you to meditate. From religious gurus to life coaches to industry leaders to world leaders, everyone asks you to meditate. But why? Hi, this is Moushumi Sen, life transformational coach, opinionated mom, budding author, entrepreneur. Namaste. So today we are talking about meditation. Okay, just before that, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you like this video, and do share it with your friends. Thank you. Okay, coming back to meditation. Meditation may seem like a modern craze, but it is not. It has been there since time immemorial. I mean, for thousands of years. Even the Indus Valley civilization had meditation. From the texts and figurines discovered, it seemed that they also were into meditation. Why meditation? I mean, India is always known as the land of the sadhus and the gurus and the mystics and meditation. People from Western countries come to India to learn to meditate. What is this? What is meditation? Meditation, very simply put, is going internal. It's closing your eyes, taking a deep breath, to block out the whole world, and aligning yourself and connecting yourself with the universe or with your inner goddess. Why is meditation so important now? Previously it was supposed to be in the area of the religious people, for the sadhus, for the mystics, for the hermits, for the monks. But why is it so important in our daily lives? Today meditation is very important because to protect our inner selves from the outward distraction. There is so much distraction in the world right now, especially in that favorite object of everyone's, the phone. You got the world in your phone? Excellent. But that is also such a distraction. It distracts you from your life's purpose. So if you get rid of a phone, will it happen? You can't get rid of a phone. You need it, right? But we are not here to talk about the phone. Meditation helps in a lot of things, in a lot of ways. So I'll tell you 8 ways it helps you. It helps in stress relief. Yes, a few minutes sitting with your eyes closed, breathing deeply and connecting with yourself helps you relieve from stress, the stress of the daily grind, from office, from other pressures. Meditation boosts focus. When you're out of meditation, the more you meditate, you will see that you're able to focus more. Nowadays, in the world of 30-second videos, the world we live in, it's very hard for us to concentrate. There was a time when people used to go to theaters for 3 hours, 4 hours and sit through it. People used to give speeches, long speeches leaders used to give, and people used to sit through it. What has happened now? Because we are so distracted, we can hardly focus. Meditation helps bring back that focus. Third, meditation is excellent for your heart health. Any cardiologist will tell you, besides exercise and diet, the most important thing you can do, favor you can do to yourself, is to meditate. Why? Because it lowers blood pressure, it lowers stress level, it lowers cortisol in your body, Cortisol is a substance which secretes in our body when we are overstressed. It hardens the walls of your arteries, leading to heart attacks. Meditations helps you to calm down, to keep your blood pressure regulated. 4. It helps you to connect more deeply with others. I mean, it sounds surprising. How come meditation where you are going inside yourself helps you connect? That is because meditation is aligning you, is putting you in touch with your inner self, not your superficial self, and in this way you make more genuine connects. Okay, this one I think will be fabulous for everyone. Meditation helps in boosting sex drive. Because in today's world, the sex drive has actually been on a decline. I mean, it's surprising. With so much sex on TV, on people watching pornography and everything like that, and it's so accessible, there's actually a decline. And fertility issues because of that, and also intimacy issues among couples because of distraction. Meditation helps boost your sex drive by normalizing your hormones. Also, as I said previously, by letting you build more genuine connections, and by keeping you stress free. A lot of couples unfortunately cannot conceive today, are having trouble conceiving because of the stress of modern life. So meditation does help. It kind of slows down your internal clock. I mean, keeps you centered. And 7th, so like 5, 6 was, and 7th is that meditation is very good as an anti-aging process. Yeah, I know that will really strike another chord. Anti-aging, why is it? It helps you keep young. Because when you're meditating, you're slowing down, you're breathing deeply, your cells get more oxygen and can replenish itself easily. So meditation helps you keep young. It's very easy to meditate. You say you don't have time, there is a saying, you should meditate at least for 20 minutes. And if you really are very busy and do not have time, meditate for at least an hour. Because you need to slow down. It doesn't mean you're slowing down your work or anything. If you meditate, you'll understand how efficient you get. It's very easy. Find a quiet corner, plug in a soft music or an Om chant, because to start with it might feel a bit difficult. Close your eyes. This is a very good hack, you can say, for meditation. It is called the Dhyan Mudra. Do this with your fingers. Keep it open on your laps like this. Just put it on your laps. Close your eyes and start breathing deeply. Everything in this world begins with breathing, with a breath. You're born when you take your first breath, you go away from this world when you take your last breath. So it's breathing. Slow down your breathing. You know, the best way is, another way is, you breathe in for say 8 counts, hold for 4, and breathe out for 12 counts. Okay with me? Cool? So let's do it at least once, okay? So I'm going to breathe in. I'll put this. Yeah, I couldn't resist the second time because I do love to meditate. And it is so amazing once you get into the practice. You will feel like you are in this beautiful space and you're so fired up and so energetic. And you feel unstoppable.